Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then let's tap here to the home personalization section. Tap to agree and continue, allow, and then click here to wallpaper section. Then click here again, agree and allow. We can now select our new wallpaper from our device photos. Unfortunately, I have no any just photos here, or also we can use our default wallpapers on our device. To do that, we should just click once on the wallpaper, tap to apply, and we want to set it on the lock screen. So now just wait a second and let's lock the device. And as we can see, we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper on our OPPO device. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that on the left down corner we will see the wallpapers icon, and by the same way we should select one from the wallpapers, tap here to apply and select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.